Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode I want to show you how I make quick and easy onion pakora, and let's go with ingredients so we can get started. For the ingredient we're gonna need some onion. So now I'm using one large onion, and I just slice them just like that, just normally how we slice an onion, and then just make sure to split them just like that. And then to that I'm gonna add chopped coriander, ginger garlic paste. This is just 1 teaspoon, few green chilies. So we're just gonna add this in, and the ginger garlic paste, and then I'm gonna add salt, pepper, chili powder, ajwain, all-purpose flour, besan, ground rice. And the ground rice is helping this pakora to be crispier. So I'm gonna start mixing everything as they are all dry. And now everything has been mixed with the onion. Now I'm gonna add little bit water at a time, and then we are going to mix. In the meantime, you can preheat your oil, and you have to be careful when you add water. This is not going to be just like a regular pakora, so just be careful. Add little bit at a time, and then I'm going to show you the consistency. Okay, so that was just a little bit of oil that you need at the end. Add it at the end so that when you mix, it doesn't stick to your hand. Okay, so you're just gonna grab a little bit like that, and you're just gonna drop it just roughly. Okay, just like so. Doesn't matter about the size, just drop. And the heat is over medium. This pakora is gonna take a little bit time because you want this to be crispy. So now you're just gonna take a fork. It's been like 5 minutes, and that's all the pakora is cooking. Like there's not even color, still soft. So I'm just gonna move them around. I'm not gonna flip them right now. The pakora is not that soft. It's easy to flip them over and let them fry on the other side as well until golden brown and also crispy. Pakora is looking gorgeous, golden brown. I'm gonna remove them and fry the rest. Onion pakora is ready. It is nice and crispy. I'm not gonna lie, I already started snacking on it. Why? Because it's too good. Now, even if you don't eat onion, you are going to eat this. I can bet you on that. That's right. This onion pakora has so much flavor. It's like, I don't know how to control myself by not eating it. Let's hear the crunch. You hear that? I hear that. So good. Okay. I'm gonna have to stop. So good. So good. So good. Written ingredient is down below right now, waiting for you. And hope you enjoy this video with me. and I will see you next time. It's been so long since I have said subscribe, like, and today I'm gonna say please subscribe to my channel, please like all my video and comment. I barely see your comment, so that I can answer your question if you have any concern about recipe and dishes. So I will see you next time with another one. For now, bye bye.